Yeah, I really enjoy myself. Yeah. Oh yeah. Don't worry, see. This morning, I want to return to Mount. But from what I'm seeing now, I will not return. Come on, I will hand over everything for you. So tomorrow, you come back again. Do you understand? Just come back again. So let me go and drop you. Let me treat you as a queen that you are. Are you sure that you are okay? You are scaring me. Are you okay? Okay. This one that you are not saying anything. I hope you are very, very okay. Because there's a place that I'm supposed to take you to. So I don't know if you will be able to come.
Yeah!